Amy Ackerman, Princeton, New Jersey, baritone.
Julia Adams, Birmingham, Alabama, mellophone.
Hannah Alexander, Hoover, Alabama, color guard.
Malia Beasley, Northport, Alabama, crimsonet.
Jordan Belcher, Birmingham, Alabama, trumpet.
Bethany Bruce, Athens, Alabama, trumpet.
Baxter Burke, Opelika, Alabama, trumpet.
Payne Busey, Brentwood, Tennessee, mellophone.
Kayla Kane, Destin, Florida, clarinet.
Haley Carnes, Huntsville, Alabama, trumpet.
Jose Katera, Hoover, Alabama, alto saxophone.
Markeisha Cunningham, Tuscaloosa, Alabama, cymbals.
Nicole Dennis, Beaufort, Georgia, color guard.
Megan DiLoretto, Bremen, Alabama, piccolo.
Nicole Duke, Vernon, Alabama, crimsonet.
Katie Eastep, Beaufort, Georgia, color guard.
Stacy Etheridge, Atlanta, Georgia, clarinet.
Vinny Forte, Morris Plains, New Jersey, tenor saxophone.
Connor Fox, Birmingham, Alabama, drum major.
Alex Frazier, Stonewood, West Virginia, tenor saxophone.
Kelly Galeska, Athens, Alabama, alto saxophone.
Kristen Gaiman, Atmore, Alabama, clarinet.
Rowdy Giles, Hoover, Alabama, tuba.
Carson Hack, Midlothian, Virginia, mellophone.
Mallory Hadaway, Madison, Alabama, color guard.
Austin Hardman, Birmingham, Alabama, tuba.
Allie Hatchett, Vestavia Hills, Alabama, crimsonet.
Avery Hayes, Chester, Virginia, clarinet.
Kaylee Heaton, Northport, Alabama, crimsonet.
Courtney Hollis, Lawrenceville, Georgia, color guard.
Jacob Hughes, Pleasant Grove, Alabama, baritone.
Dylan Johnson, Key West, Florida, trumpet.
Jimmy Johnson, Muscle Shoals, Alabama, alto saxophone.
Tyler Jones, Coleman, Alabama, front ensemble.
Michael Kelly, Jay, Florida, mellophone.
Alexis Killo, Odenville, Alabama, alto saxophone.
Katie Kilpatrick, Gadsden, Alabama, crimsonet.
Daniel Klein, Oakland, Tennessee, alto saxophone.
Justin Lentz, Mesa, Arizona, alto saxophone.
Brandon Lindsay, Spartanburg, South Carolina, snare drum.
Victoria Marks, Arlington, Tennessee, piccolo.
Rebecca Mast, Madison, Alabama, clarinet.
Amelia McCarty, Oak Grove, Alabama, trumpet.
Jessica McCracken, Huntsville, Alabama, color guard.
Hillary McDaniel, Prattville, Alabama, piccolo.
Wynn McIntyre, Murfreesboro, Tennessee, trumpet.
Catherine Miller, Bruton, Alabama, clarinet.
Jason Nance, Raleigh, North Carolina, tuba.
Wesley Newberry, Mobile, Alabama, mellophone.
Thomas Paradiso, Powder Springs, Georgia, tuba.
Lakin Pitchford, Tallahassee, Alabama, crimsonet.
Michael Raditz, Austin, Texas, trumpet.
Michael Ryan, Winter Springs, Florida, alto saxophone.
Carl Schroeder, La Crescenta, California, alto sax.
Leon Scobie, Columbia, South Carolina, trombone.
Elizabeth Smith, Huntsville, Alabama, clarinet.
Mitchell Sprin, Williamsburg, Virginia, alto saxophone.
Kristen Van Callil, Winter Springs, Florida, mellophone.
David Vaughn, Athens, Alabama, alto saxophone.
Caitlin Walker, Oneonta, Alabama, crimsonet.
Ashley Ward, Bruton, Alabama, crimsonet.
Dora Washington, Beaufort, Georgia, color guard.
Aisha Watson, Fayetteville, Georgia, piccolo.
Haley Williams, Saline, Michigan, crimsonet.
Madison Ryan, Gadsden, Alabama, crimsonet.
Will Wyatt, Northport, Alabama, trumpet.